Hello friend, this is Mera from Landpack Machinery. Today let me show you our dried tomatoes pouches packing machine. This machine speeds up to 25 to 50 pouches per minute. Okay, now let me show you machine step by step. This one is Z-type feeder. Automatic loading material to weigher. And we use Multihead weigher to metering, which is high accuracy and speed real fast. Now, let me show you the made rotary packing machine. This is best feeder, feeding pouches to machine one by one. You can adjust parameter in touch screen. This one is ribbon printer. Print expire date, production dates on pouches. And this one is zip-lock opening device. Zip-lock. This is button opening device. Open pouches button. And filling. No pouches, no filling. And this one is pusher. Push the material from top to middle. And this one is liquid filling. Filling liquid into pouches. After the filling, heat sealing. Sealing pouches. This one is filling system for liquid. Finished product output. Now let me show you machine running. Thank you for your watching. Please send us inquiries to get more details. Bye.